Hey guys, today I am bringing you my unboxing of the April 2019 SCT sampler kit. The theme this month is spring, as you can see by the little postcard that comes with the kit. It says spring, a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can be. So let's get into what came this month. So starting off, we have the exclusive word from SCT, which is of course spring. It's done in this really cute adhesive gold foam that's got like the gold glitter on it, and it also has a matching little flower, which is very cute. Next up is this Damask embossing folder by Close to My Heart. I don't know if you can see the pattern at all. You can kind of see it there, sort of, kind of. Looks very pretty. And then we have two main collections in this month's kit. The first one is Sparkle City by Shimelle for American Crafts. It comes with a number of patterned papers. This one is called Rainy Day. This one is called Stargazing. This one is called Tour Guide. This one is called Traffic Jam. This is called Our House. And this one is called Fairy Lights. Then we have some rub-ons and ephemera, including this really cool little lenticular pop cup here. And these very, very holographic iridescent stickers. And then the other primary collection in this month's kit is Jillibean Soup, Spoonful of Soul, including several pattern papers. This one is called Trust. This one is called Let Go. This is called Choose Joy. This one is called Be Fearless. This is called Gentle Soul. And this one is called Free Spirit. Then we have some ephemera, some wood veneers, and some epoxy stickers. And then we have some mini alpha stickers, some washi strips, and some cut-aparts. And according to the breakdown here, there's supposed to be cardstock stickers. I did not get any. This is not stickers here. This is literally part of a piece of paper that's been cut apart, which is fine. I assume based on... I was on scrapbook.com's website to look up the names of all the papers, because it's hard to tell sometimes by looking at them what they're called. And I noticed that on scrapbook.com they had some of this collection, but the cardstock stickers was one of the pieces that was marked as coming soon, as opposed to being in stock, new arrival, or out of stock, whatever. So I'm wondering if maybe the cardstock stickers got delayed from the manufacturer, and that's why they're not in this kit, because it is listed on the breakdown on the back of the postcard that there should be cardstock stickers in here. And initially I thought it was these, and then I looked again and saw that alphas are listed as being in here. So unfortunately there were no cardstock stickers, but there's still a good amount of items from this collection, so I'm not complaining. And that is it for the April 2019 SCT sampler kit. I think there's a nice variety of items in here, a variety of color schemes, yet they also kind of go together theme-wise. I noticed both main collections have a sort of a city theme, and each of them has like a row of houses paper and an umbrella paper, which was interesting. So I'm looking forward to playing with these and seeing what I can come up with. As always, I will leave a link in the description below to how you can sign up for the SCT sampler for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.